You'd be surprised to learn how important the area behind your dryer can be, not only for lost socks, but because of the dryer exhaust system that helps your dryer breathe. If safety and efficiency are important to you, great care needs to be taken so the dryer can perform its best. Inovate focuses on these systems to improve performance and safety and helps save money. It all starts with a dryer box. Adding valuable space, the dryer box protects the transition duct by recessing the connection in the wall, allowing you to safely push the dryer back. Bends in the duct can lead to lint buildup and create a fire hazard. Selecting the dryer box creates roomier, safer, and more efficient homes. Choosing an innovative transition duct provides additional efficiency and safety. Dryer Flex is crush resistant and flexible, making it the premier dryer transition duct. It's UL 2158A rated and recognized by appliance manufacturers and building code as a strong and safe connection. Once inside the wall, code limits the length of the duct run. Typical elbows restrict airflow and add code penalties. The Dryer L eliminates both of those issues. Its smooth interior is 500% more airflow efficient. This makes the Dryer L ideal for long duct runs and helps avoid unwanted lint buildup. The end of the duct termination is as important as everything that leads up to it. The dryer wall vent is the premier wall termination for efficiency and aesthetics. Built tough using a deep-drawn heavy-gauge galvalume steel, it's built to last. The dryer wall vent's low profile and unique design give it a stylish look and helps prevent animal intrusion. The code-required dryer placard is a simple and durable solution for displaying the calculated duct run length, allowing proper appliance selection. The best venting route is always the shortest. For some homes, that means venting through the roof. The versatile Dryer Box 480 can be flipped for upward venting. The 480's deep-drawn, heavy-gauge aluminized steel makes it a strong and sleek addition to the laundry room. The airflow-efficient Dryer L is also available in a 45-degree model, which is the perfect solution in an attic of a pitched roof. Like the Dryer L90, the 45 has zero added run length under building code and allows a straight shot to the roof for the shortest possible duct route. Once you've reached the roof, it's important to finish the job right. The Dryer Jack's curved damper allows for maximum airflow efficiency. Its wide opening makes it the code-compliant choice. It helps prevent lint buildup and allows for easy cleaning. Its deep draw construction and heavy gauge galvalume steel make the Dryer Jack tough as nails. For serious protection against bird and squirrel intrusion, the easily installed Defender provides a fortified shield for bath and other wall vents. The heavy metal vertical bars allow lint to easily pass through while keeping animals out. Improvements in safety, space, efficiency, and aesthetics can have a dramatic impact on your home. You can count on Inovate to focus on these important details, bringing you the best in venting products.